Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to open Settings, then go to the Security section, and here you have this unknown source installations. Here you can see the apps through which you can install unknown apps. You can just enable it, just tap on this slider next to them, and that's how you can enable these apps to allow these apps to install from unknown sources. And you can do the same thing to the same like I done to the Chrome, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.